Hi everyone, you're welcome to my video today on Tech in a Nutshell. Today I'll be talking about something entirely different, and it's about if project managers should have technical skills as a project manager in the tech field. Well, my answer is an absolute yes. This is entirely my opinion based off of my experience and what I've seen so far in the tech field. I think project managers should actually have some level of technicality, some level of understanding of at least the project they are working on. It's only logical, really. I mean, how can you manage a project from start to finish without actually knowing what the project entails, without actually knowing what the project is all about? Look, anybody can get a PM certificate. Anybody can get a PM certificate and put it in the bag. But the test of your expertise is how well you're able to manage particular projects. For example, if you're a project manager in a software development company, I think it would be logical and wise for you to at least, you don't have to learn how to code, but at least to learn some of the basics architecture of software development. You understand, like learn some terminologies in programming, know how things work. You don't necessarily need to do hands-on. If you do hands-on, all well and good, it's going to add to your portfolio, but just have an idea, even if it means looking at YouTube videos, bite-sized videos, to get the understanding of concepts. Why? So that your programmers or your engineers will not um tell you things that will throw you off balance, or they won't tell you that, oh, this project is going to take this long, or implementing so and so is impossible, will take this long, whereas it's something very simple. Programmers can do that, engineers can do that. If you are not technically sound, it may impact the timeline for your project, because because an implementation that's supposed to take maybe 2 days, they can tell you that it's going to take 1 week, and there's nothing you can do about it. You're just going to take their word for it, hook, line, and sinker. And then also you need to balance your, how do I put this now? You need to balance your expertise as a project manager with both technical and business. Now, your C-level managers don't understand, or they don't really talk low-level tech like that. Yes, in as much as they have sometimes the high-level understanding of what is being implemented. So as a project manager, you also need to have some level of business expertise in order to communicate with stakeholders, in order to communicate with your managers. At the same time, you also need to have some level of technicality, of technical knowledge, in order to communicate with your engineers. And this is actually going to put you in a very, very good position. Trust me, guys, the lines are getting blurred every single time. A time is coming where employers would only employ people, project managers that have technical backgrounds, no matter how small. If you're getting a job in a tech company that deals with, for example, cloud, you should do research, or you should try as much as possible and gain some knowledge in things like infrastructure, virtualization, storage. You don't have to do hands-on. Look, this is not a must, but it's a plus. Do you understand? It's going to even help you manage your project well. It's going to help you put reasonable timelines. Do you understand? If, for example, one of your project requirements is for your engineers to virtualize a machine, a server, a physical server, and then he comes and tells you cock and bull stories about how virtualizing a server will take 2-3 weeks, a task that can be done, give or take, with errors and everything, in a day. He'll tell you it's going to take 3 weeks. And he's going to actually break down the task to extend to 3 weeks. But if you have some technical knowledge, if you have read, if you have studied, and you know how virtualizing a server works, come on. You would tell him to stop. You tell him to hold on. This is supposed to take so and so time. So give or take 2 days maximum, in case there are any errors or any production one issues. So I think project managers, to some extent, should have some level of technicality. I mean, I've heard project managers ask questions like, or say things like, the thing is not working, that's why we're not able to finish. Oh my God. What thing? What is thing? There's no thing in tech. Everything has its definition. Do you understand? So just get basic technical knowledge, it will actually make your work easier for you. So I hope I've been able to encourage a project manager out there. It's not enough to get your PM is great, it's good, but it's not sufficient in today's world and where tech is going right now. The roles are gradually getting intertwined, so you have to beef up your skills. Right? If you're trying to get a job in especially a software company as a project manager, I think the least you can do for yourself is to get the basic knowledge of what software engineering is all about, your software development lifecycle from requirement gathering to testing and deployment and maintenance. And most especially, lastly, whatever project you're managing, make sure you do your background research, because based on what you know about the project, you will be able to develop a full-fledged project plan. Yes, I mean, that's my opinion. I think so. You will be able to. So thank you for watching my video. I just thought to put this out there to project managers that are in tech. Try and get some technical skills and know-how. It will help you be more efficient. Thank you for watching my video.